those nice jeans?
Oh, well, you know, summer's almost over, it's getting colder, so I'm trading in my shorts for some new navy jeans.
Ooh, oh my gosh, girl, I better go get me a pair.
Well, you're in luck. Hi, welcome to Delightfully Dolls, where our dolls are small and our hearts are big. And today, we will be making doll jeans using any form of paper, preferably something durable so we can use that for the pattern. You can use some pins, not necessary, but I suggest you use some. We've got our needle and thread, and I'm using black because it won't show as much on our jean material, which is also a part of our material list. We've got a pencil to draw the pattern out, and a Sharpie, which will be used to sketch out the shape of our dolls. Finally, we've got a pair of scissors. But remember, scissors can be dangerous, so have an adult tame them for you. Now let's get on to the craft. So we've got our construction paper here, which we're going to use to sketch out the pattern of the doll's legs. So we're going to take our doll here and lay her down on the paper. We're going to make her legs more spread out so we know when she's in the pants, she'll be able to move and everything, or at least we'll move their legs. So we're going to put our pencil straight down so that we make sure that it's not an angle and it's too tight, or it's on an angle this way and it's too wide. We're going to do straight down so we get the exact shape of the doll's legs. So roughly we got the shape of the doll's legs. We're just going to clean up the edges a bit more. And now we're going to add a seam allowance so that when we're stitching and sewing up the ends, we have space for the doll's legs to fit through. Basically, I'm just going to outline about 1/2 centimeter around the same pattern. So we drew out our pattern for our doll's pants. And now all we've got to do is grab our scissors and we're going to cut this out. Remember, when cutting, cut around the outer line, not the inner. So we have cut out the pattern for our doll's jeans. I'm just going to label this doll pants. There we go. Now I'm grabbing my jean material and I'm going to cut out a piece that is long enough and wide enough for our pattern to fit. Just to clarify, you're going to need 2 layers of this jean material. And now I'm going to get my pattern, bring it back and line it up. Going to get a marker and I'm going to sketch out this pants pattern onto our jean material. Now that our pattern is all sketched out, I'm going to remove the paper and use pins to pin together the 2 layers of our material. What we're going to do now is we're going to sew down both sides of the pants. After these sides are sewn, we are going to continue and sew the inner sides. But be very sure that you do not sew along the bottom or at the waist. Okay, so we have our 2 inner sides sewn up, and now we're going to try it onto our doll. This is just to make sure, before you cut it out, that you have the right shape. So I've got this on my doll right now. You can see here. It's on the bad side right now, but it does not feel too tight. So I know for sure I can cut it out. But if you're feeling that your doll's jeans are too tight, you might want to cut out the stitches and maybe widen it out a little more, because if you cut it, you can't widen it. Alright, time to start snipping. Now our jeans are all cut out, and it's time to use the help of our pencil to turn them inside out. Okay, so our jeans were flipped inside out, and now I tried them onto our doll, and they went a bit higher than I had expected them to, but what I'm going to do is take the part up here, I'm going to flip it inside, then I'm going to hem using a straight stitch. I have hemmed the top of the pants, and that is how you make doll jeans. You could roll up the bottom of the pants to give extra style, and together it makes a very good look with a nice long sleeve t-shirt. We have another video for our doll long sleeve t-shirts, so you can go check that out. The link will be in the description. So our craft is complete and our time has been sweet. But now that we're done, come back for more fun. See ya! Whoa, those jeans look totally awesome on you.
I know, right? They're just my style.